Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be exploring the best cordless drills available on the market this year. This list is based on my personal opinion, considering factors like price, quality, durability, and more information about these best cordless drills. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Introducing the DEWALT XTREME 12 volts Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit, the perfect blend of compact design and powerful performance. Crafted for precision, this drill driver is a must-have for professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts alike. Measuring just 5.97 inches front to back, it easily fits into tight spaces where larger drills can't reach, without sacrificing strength or control. The 3/8" chuck provides a secure grip on a wide range of bits, making it highly versatile for various applications. Its 2-speed transmission allows users to switch effortlessly between high-speed drilling and high-torque fastening, providing the flexibility needed to tackle any task. An onboard LED light ensures maximum visibility in dark work areas, helping you stay accurate and efficient, even in less than ideal conditions. Powered by DEWALT's reliable 12 volts MAX battery system, it delivers impressive runtime and consistent performance, job after job. Built with durability and user comfort in mind, the XTREME 12 volts MAX drill driver offers a lightweight, ergonomic design that reduces fatigue during extended use. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or completing fine detail work, this tool provides the confidence and precision needed to get the job done right. Step up your toolkit with the ultimate compact powerhouse from DEWALT. The BOSCH PS31-2A 12 volts Max 3/8" drill driver kit. A powerhouse of performance packed into an incredibly lightweight and compact design. Weighing just 1.80 pounds, this drill driver offers exceptional comfort and control, even during long, demanding tasks. With a best-in-class performance-to-size ratio, it's perfect for tight spaces and overhead work where maneuverability is critical. The 7-inch head length allows easy access into confined areas without sacrificing power. Delivering up to 265 Nm of torque, the PS31-2A handles a wide range of drilling and fastening applications with ease. Its variable speed settings, 0-350 RPM and 0-1300 RPM, let users match the right speed to each task for precision and efficiency. Equipped with 20+1 clutch settings, it ensures excellent torque control while minimizing the risk of fastener damage. The single-sleeve, 3/8" 3-jaw chuck securely grips bits for reliable performance. An integrated LED light enhances visibility in low-light environments, making this drill driver a true workhorse for professionals and DIYers alike. Backed by two 2Ah batteries and a charger, the BOSCH PS31-2A is the ultimate companion for anyone seeking dependable, versatile power in a compact package. The CRAFTSMAN 520 Cordless Drill Driver Kit. Designed for serious performance, this 1/2" drill driver features a high-performance motor capable of delivering 280 unit watts out, UWO, making it perfect for a wide variety of drilling and fastening applications. The 2-speed gearbox offers flexibility with speeds ranging from 0 to 350 RPM for controlled drilling to 0-1500 RPM for high-speed fastening tasks. Thanks to the 1/2" keyless chuck, changing bits is quick and easy, minimizing downtime on the job. An integrated LED light enhances visibility in dim workspaces, ensuring precision and safety. Powered by a 20 volts max lithium battery with high-performance cells, it delivers impressive runtime and reliable performance, and the included charger powers it back up in 60 minutes or less. Compatible with the VersaTrack hang hook system, this tool offers convenient storage solutions. Built for durability and backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the CRAFTSMAN 520 drill driver is an essential addition to any workshop or job site. Whether you're tackling do-it-yourself projects or professional tasks, trust CRAFTSMAN to deliver consistent, powerful results you can rely on. The Makita FD09R112 VMAX CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 3/8 Driver Drill Kit. Designed with efficiency and user convenience in mind, this compact powerhouse features a variable 2-speed motor 0 to 450 and 0-1,700 RPM, to tackle a wide range of drilling and driving applications. Powered by a durable Makita-built motor, it delivers up to 250 Nm of max torque, offering reliable performance for everyday tasks and professional jobs alike. At just 7 inches long, the FD09R1 is exceptionally compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces without sacrificing power. Its ergonomically designed handle with a rubberized soft grip provides maximum comfort and control during extended use. Thanks to the 12V Max CXT slide-style battery design, the tool can stand upright on its own, adding convenience on busy job sites or in your home workshop. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or performing light fastening tasks, the Makita FD09R1 offers the performance and versatility you need in a sleek, compact package. Built tough for serious work, it's the perfect addition to any tool collection. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max POWERECONNECT Cordless Drill, driver plus 30-piece bits and driver's kit. Designed for convenience, power, and versatility. This driver is part of the trusted 20V Max system, a lineup built for performance and reliability. The included lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, meaning your tool is always ready when you need it. The 24-position clutch provides an extra level of control, preventing stripped screws and overdriven fasteners, making it perfect for both precision tasks and heavy-duty jobs. A soft grip handle ensures maximum comfort, even during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. To keep you ready for any challenge, this kit also includes 30 essential accessories, drill bits, screwdriver bits, and more, so you have everything you need right out of the box. With a compact, lightweight design powered by 1.5 amps of reliable energy, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max driver is ideal for home repairs, furniture assembly, and do-it-yourself projects. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned do-it-yourself enthusiast, this all-in-one kit delivers the convenience, power, and control you demand.